Versatile, compact, convenient, durable, and reliable. What is it? It's the Nomad P56 production light from Foxfury, and we're Foxfuriously in love with it. This light stands on 3 easily foldable legs with an internal rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The entirety of the light is contained within a tube, which the light itself extends out from. It can reach a max of about 8 feet tall and is meant to be deployable in disaster zones and relief areas, making it rugged, small, waterproof, and very bright. Deceptively bright, actually. It has 3 adjustable brightnesses, and depending on which mode you're using, the battery can last up to about 24 hours. We found in our experiences with this light that there are few existing solutions as convenient as this one. It can be a little on the heavier side, coming in at about 20 pounds all packed up, but its ease of use and its ability to be conveniently brought with us wherever we're going make up for that. In 60 seconds, we can have this light set up, turned on, and not be tethered to a wall while we're using it. These lights are a permanent fixture here in our studio and in our travel kit. So if you're always on the go like we are, then you're going to fall in love with them too. Thank you for watching.